Unlock a brighter financial future by mastering your Roth IRA with Morgan Stanley. First things first, let's understand why Roth IRA is a game changer for your retirement. It's a powerful tool for tax-advantaged savings, meaning your earnings grow and withdrawals in retirement are typically tax-free. That's a huge advantage. Now, let's dive into the practical steps of opening your Roth IRA with Morgan Stanley. On their website, look for the Retirement or Open an Account section and select Roth IRA. You'll be guided through a few simple forms to provide your personal information, employment details, and financial goals. Be prepared to enter your social security number and verify your identity. Next, you'll link your bank account to fund your IRA. Decide on your initial deposit and set up any recurring contributions you'd like. Remember, there are annual contribution limits set by the IRS, which you can easily find on the Morgan Stanley site. With your account funded, it's time to invest. Morgan Stanley offers a diverse range of investment options, from low-cost index funds and ETFs to individual stocks and bonds. Consider your risk tolerance and time horizon when making your choices. You can explore pre-built portfolios or build your own. Don't hesitate to utilize Morgan Stanley's wealth management tools and research reports to inform your decisions. Managing your Roth IRA is ongoing. Regularly review your portfolio's performance, rebalance as needed, and adjust your contributions as your circumstances change. Investing in a Roth IRA with Morgan Stanley puts you in the driver's seat of your financial future. Start building that secure retirement today.